Hi everyone, I thought I'd ask for some help to try to find these Molex connector plugs that I'm looking for. I can't find. I've checked all my suppliers and everywhere I usually check, even on the internet, and for some reason cannot find them. If you can give me a hand, give me a link or something, please do so. The ones I could find, you had to pin yourself, and as you see, these ones just clamp down on the wire, like so. They are 4-pin connector, and they actually plug into this here. And this is the reason I need to get them. The other one is this one, and as you see, the wires just go in between and you just crimp them in. I did find ones that would work, as you see. I did actually find some, but for this, now this is a power plug, and as you see, it's a 3-pin connector and only 2 are being used, and I could not find that anywhere, nor could I find this one that I've been looking for that I really need. If you do know where these are or can be bought, please do let me know, as I need to finish a display board that I'm making. It's that soundboard, I guess you'd call it, and I need to get some more connectors to get everything all hooked up and working. Alright, thanks for your time.